everybody, this is Salman WTV and welcome to my show Let the Talent Talk. Today I'm with Dev. What's up, Dev? How are you doing?
I'm doing good, buddy. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I mean, finally we got time to shoot now.
Yeah.
So guys, let me tell you, Dev is into multiple things. He's also an employee and working for some nice company. But I'm not going to talk about that now. That is not important. What is important? He is into something which is really dangerous also, but it scares a lot of people. But let me tell you, it is very tough to do that. What is that? Let's check out what is that. Okay, hi Dev.
Hi, Salman.
So, is it your passion or is it your dream or you're just doing it for fun?
I think it's a mix of everything
Okay.
what I do because, like you said, it's a little challenging.
Okay.
So I'm an off-road motorcycle racer and I do national races
Wow.
and cross-country rallies. And also, I'm an off-road motorcycle instructor
Wow.
on the weekends.
On the weekends. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think you got an idea, right? What we are talking about. Yeah. So he is in a motorcycle. He also into stunt, which he never ever talk about it, but we see it. He does a lot of stunts and it's brilliantly done, by the way. And also, mainly you use a Royal Enfield.
Yeah, because they support me for what I do.
Okay.
Prem Motors, right
Okay.
now where we are.
Okay.
So they're my sponsors. They back me up with the motorcycle and everything related to it.
Wow.
So they changed my career. Or I would say they gave me a career
Wow.
of motorcycle racing.
Wow. So when did this all started?
Exactly 2 years ago, these guys came up to our training facility on a weekend and they saw me riding like crazy.
Okay.
The boss was really impressed and he said, do you want to represent us in the Rider Mania 2018?
Oh.
I said, I've never been there, but yeah, sure. He said, we'll give you all the support you need. So that is how it all started. And then a few months later, I said, I want to do national championship.
Okay.
So would you be interested to support me? He happily said, yes, we will. And it's been like almost 2 years now. He's backing me up for every single
Wow.
race I've been.
Wow.
So that's how it started.
So the support from Yamaha Royal Enfield, the showroom is really fantastic, and I really get impressed by seeing people who actually support a talent. Okay, so when it comes to talent, when did you started riding? I mean, passionate about these kind of things, because we don't get to see people in this field. It is really dangerous. But also, I would like to tell you guys one more thing. Dave is doing the show, right? I mean, the stunts or riding, whatever the skills what he had, he never tried like the people, the roadside they do, right? Stunts and all this. So he never did that. So I'm not gonna add him to that category. Today we are interviewing him because of the purpose behind the interview is very simple. How the safety matters in this. And which place we need to do what things. Road is meant to just travel, not to do some stunts. So, but he is an example for all those people who are doing, mischief things in the road and also spoiling their lives. We'll talk about it slowly. Okay, Dev. So, about the riding, coming back to riding. So, when did you started riding?
I think probably I started around 15 years.
Oh my.
When I was 15.
Okay.
And I took it really seriously when I flunked my first year.
Okay.
So then I chose, I think this is what I love to do.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I had to rejoin the college and start all over again.
Mm-hmm.
But that is how it started.
Mhm.
My family has racing history. My uncle, my cousins were all racers.
Wow.
So I think I'm the second generation rider.
So it's in the blood.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah, so that is what I saw growing up. I didn't play a lot of sports. All I know was motorcycles, racing, jumps and stuff.
Okay.
So it's just the same. They did professionally, so I am doing it professionally. So yeah, when I was young, I was tempted to perform stunts on the roads or go fast.
Mm-hmm.
But my uncle always, supervised me and he said, "You're not doing that. If you're doing that, we are not supporting you for racing."
Oh.
So I wanted the big picture. So yeah, I stopped doing it. I never continued doing on the roads or anything. But today, as you see, when you say, "Oh, I'm a off-road racer, bike racer," people will be like, "Oh, I see you guys on the highways," which is not we do.
Correct.
So our community is all on the circuit. we do
Correct.
it in a closed area.
Correct.
So, yeah, a lot of people, a lot of young guys now, they do stunts on the roads, which is dangerous for themselves, for public, which I don't recommend at all.
Exactly.
I believe you've read the news 3 weeks ago. There was an accident
3 people
where
died.
3 people lost their lives
Oh my
just
God.
by doing a stupid mistake.
Exactly.
Yeah, you don't do wheelies on a highway.
Highway. Yeah.
Right? So, yeah, that's something sad, and I don't want to be one of them, or I don't tell anyone to be one of them.
Yeah.
That's not right. There are places where you can go perform stunts in a closed area. You can do it.
All guidance matters a lot.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Somebody has to be there with you, or team has to be there.
Yeah.
You know, and I think people are really crazy about these things, but they don't get support.
That's one thing. See, if you're doing it right, you get support. I can be the best example.
Correct.
I was a nobody a year ago,
Mm.
and I met these guys, and there are people. Your approach matters a lot.
Very.
So
Fantastic.
you need to have right mindset, right
Yes.
goal
Yes.
ahead
Yes.
of you.
The positive cause.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
positive in it, right?
definitely.
Yeah.
If I had told these guys I want to perform in roads,
Mhm.
they wouldn't support me. So I told them this is my plan for the rest of the year. And
You
we are
presented it
here.
in front of them. Yeah.
And we are here.
So-
It's like we earned the national championship
Wow.
title last year.
Wow.
It's not easy, and that was my debut year of racing.
Wow. Fantastic.
So,
Fantastic.
These guys and the facility where I train people, it's called Tribal Adventure Cafe.
Okay.
So these are the facilities where you can come, learn the techniques, and do it in the right way,
Very true. very
rather
true.
than performing in streets or roads where
Correct,
you don't
correct.
have any guidance. Also,
Correct.
we have set
Mhm.
a facility for
And
just
standards
this.
also.
Yeah.
The which
Yeah.
has to be there and what level has to be
when
there.
you're doing it right,
Mhm.
everything falls in the right place.
Okay.
I would suggest do it right. Everything will be right.
Awesome. So guys, this is what Dave is talking about. Safety matters a lot. Don't spoil your life just because you want to do these things. It's just for a craze or fun. This is not going to get you a good life.
Definitely.
You gotta be a little bit extra careful, because life is more important than anything in the world.
Yeah, if you do it on the streets, either you end up in jail or hospital.
Or
Yeah.
he might lose a life.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of stunters and a lot of off-ride, on-ride, bikers also who are in females.
Yeah.
They're doing fantastically good.
Yeah.
But safety
Yeah.
matters a lot, and also, a lot of people are passionate about it,
Definitely. Yes.
but they don't have a family background which has a money with them, or they belongs to a middle class or poor family, but they are passionate about it. But how do you suggest those people to get?
Yeah, the struggle is there. I do work as well, like I said earlier. So that is also something that supports me.
Correct.
And the
Correct.
people with right
Correct.
mindset,
Correct.
you meet them, you approach. See, you need to tell the people what you're doing. So there are people who wants to support you. Definitely, my sponsor, Motor Nuts,
Correct.
they are from Kerala, which I had no connection with.
Oh.
So they wanted to support me out of somewhere in this country. So there are people who will support you, who will encourage you. Always do things right.
Correct.
That is what I learned over the years.
Like we just got connected.
Yeah. See. Yeah.
We came here to gift a bike to my dad, and
Yeah.
then he got connected to me,
Yeah,
and I felt like
he
we'll do an interview with you.
Yeah. See, that's how life is like. You always be on the right track.
Yes.
Everything will fall
Yes.
in the right place.
And also a positive mindset and a good character also matters a lot in life to become successful in life. So talent is not enough. We
Yeah.
also need a punctuality and discipline in it, and a right direction to go towards it, I believe, right? Fantastic. So guys, we are coming up with lot many packages with Dave. He gonna teach you and show you some tips how to start doing the racing, and many other things that will be coming in our upcoming series. Your opinion on talent?
See, everyone's naturally talented. Like, all you have to work on is your skill. No, it doesn't just improvise like that. You need to work hard. See, for us, we need to practice every weekend. We need to work out on our physical strength.
Correct.
So all that really matters. Now, everyone's talented, to be honest, but how you stand out with your talent is behind the work scenes. Now, you need to work out, you need to train, all that is there. So, and you need to challenge yourself. Like, this week I jumped 10 feet, next I'm gonna try for 12 feet.
Yeah.
So, you need to progress. So over a period of time, you get better at it.
I think it applies in life also. As he said, this time I have jumped for 10 feet and next time I have to go 12 feet. Yes, this is an important step also in life.
Yeah.
Step 1, 2, 3, 4 matter a lot in every segment, in every
Definitely.
talent, in every
Definitely.
aspect. So you first cross one step, then you plan for a second step. Don't take an elevator.
Yeah.
Always go for steps. That's
Yeah.
another thing, right? So if you don't if you plan for an elevator, fast and quick, say famous, getting famous, that is not life.
There's no shortcuts.
There's no shortcuts. Yeah, 100% true.
I don't think it will take you in the right direction when
Correct.
you're opting the shortcut.
Correct.
But maybe you might get lucky, but I don't know for how long.
Correct.
Always.
So Dave, you're trying to say that slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah.
You know,
Kind of. Yeah. I think that is how.
that
it
is a
works.
formula for life.
Yeah. Seriously.
It takes time.
Yeah.
See, if I talk about my Let the Talent Talk, I started back in 2017.
Okay.
So the idea of Talent Talk is started from one of the event which I organized for the first time.
Okay.
But I got a very big loss on that. I got almost 7.5 lakhs of loss. But I didn't give up.
Yeah.
I didn't give up.
You stuck to it and you started.
Yes, I
progressing.
started progressing, and it took me a lot of days, a lot of months, I almost like 4 to 5 years by now. Now we are making progress.
Yeah.
So it always takes time. What do you feel about this show?
I think it's good that you're bringing out the talents out to the world. Not everybody knew about me. Like you only said you were surprised when you met me that
Exactly.
you met a person who races
Really.
in that in our area surroundings. So
Correct.
that I'm glad you guys are doing it. Not everybody wants to do an initiative like that because I don't know how much beneficial you are out of this, but you still have that passion to do and put us out in the world. I think I'm very thankful to you.
We are actually thankful to you that giving your time for us. And when you said right benefit, see, till now we haven't earned anything from this Let the Talent Talk, but we have invested lakhs of money in this.
Yeah,
Why?
it's
Because
amazing.
I always use a formula called helping, supporting each other.
Yeah.
So when we support, when we show gratitude towards people, it comes abundance. It bounces back in us in many different ways.
Yeah.
I feel this is one of the particular area where if I love to promote people. Why? I'll tell you. In my life, I've faced a lot of things. I've seen a lot of politics things happening with me. People used to never recognize the best talent.
Okay.
That's the only thing in my mind. I wanted to start something and give a proper opportunity to everybody who are talented. And especially if you can see me, I'm not focused so much about who's already famous.
Yeah.
I'm focused on people who are better than those people but not famous. But also they will become famous. I know that in future. I feel it is always there in giving rather than taking so
Yeah.
much. I think I am also very grateful that such a talented guy we could able to meet, and also all my fellow peeps and followers and families. They can watch you, they can take some tips from you. That's fantastic. So guys, this is not going to end here. Let me tell you, this is going to continue. We have superb duper things coming up with Dave and many other people who are related to this field, and it's definitely going to help you guys for sure. This is my guarantee. And stay tuned for more updates. And yeah, if you're talented, if you know somebody is talented, don't wait for luck. Don't wait for any opportunity. Get in touch with Let the Talent Talk or get in touch with Salman WTBI. I'm always there with you guys, and stay tuned for more updates. Never give up. Be believers. Be leaders. All the best.